What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. We got a special day today, special delivery. Lamborghini Gallardo has arrived from Georgia. Let's go take a closer look. There it is. Let's take a closer look, guys. The Lambo has arrived. It looks nice and clean.
What's up, man? My baby.
Are you excited?
So excited, man. Yeah.
And this is the owner of the Lamborghini. Right. So we bought it for him, and we're gonna do something crazy with it.
We're doing something really crazy with it.
Something that I don't think anybody has done that before.
Nobody's done it. No.
So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be insane. There it is, beauty has arrived. All right, let's take a look what we got going on here.
Володь, те запчасти пришли, нет?
Да, те.
Да? Отлично, все запчасти
Okay, so
пришли.
we got this, the battery. All right. So go get a jumper and try to drum this up. I got one too. I think we're gonna need a couple of jumpers in order to. All right. All right. Woo! Good start. So the Lambo starts, no problem. Who owes me 500 bucks?
You were scared!
Is it leaking?
We gotta take that out.
Alright, so the car starts. No problem. We got 19,000 miles. Looking freaking awesome. Really clean inside. Airbags didn't deploy. I'm shocked how that didn't happen. I think so too. I got a feeling the radiators didn't even get damaged, so we still got coolant in the car, but I don't want to run it too long.
How's the temp? Good? Damn. So excited.
All right, there she is. So everything looks good. The radiators didn't damage or any of that stuff, it looks like. It just went through the center bar and that's it. Even the rails, they look pretty straight.
Just one rip over there.
And that's it. Oh, snap. So yeah, it looks like just this.
It's so stoked that the radiators are fine.
You like it?
I'm so excited, man. This thing's nuts.
Yeah, dude. Look at this.
The condition.
Yeah, power steering is busted, but I'm surprised none of the airbags, nothing deployed. Lots of carbon, seats, doors.
It's got the Super Trofeo.
Yeah.
All the Alcantara.
This is insane.
Carbon. Look at this.
Yeah.
Everything.
So
The doors are insane.
dude, it's so clean.
Yeah.
Wow. So yeah, everything's clean. The back end looks insane. All right, so with this Lamborghini, we're not gonna put this car back to original specs. We're gonna do something completely crazy, something you guys never seen before, and he's gonna explain what we're gonna do.
Yeah. This well, I can't explain too much yet because
Just little. So
it's a little
what?
top secret. But
What's
overall,
our jobs gonna be?
All right, so for LNC, we're gonna come. First of all, this is Driven Concepts car. We came to LNC, Dimitri, and we're gonna take this car, dismantle the whole thing, take everything that you see that's Lamborghini off of it, and we're gonna make a one-of-one lunatic vehicle. I mean, this thing's gonna be nuts.
Lunatic.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy, and we're super excited about it.
So obviously we're gonna put the whole front end together, just the cage, the frame.
All we're doing is gonna fix the front end, get it back to driving, get it back to, you know, as safe as possible.
Yeah.
And then from that point, we're not doing any sheet metal.
We're gonna remove the
headlights, all this.
fenders.
And then doors are coming off.
Doors are coming
Sheet
up.
metal's coming off.
So both quarters.
Everything's coming down. I mean, from this angle, the car that we're gonna build, you'll be able to see all the tire, everything.
Yeah,
like
so
it's gonna be bare bones. It's
yeah.
gonna be nuts.
We're removing the rear bumper. Tail lights still up in the air. We might keep the tail lights.
Yeah, I might be able to use them. Not sure yet. I might be able to use that wing too. It'd be interesting to hear what people think if I should keep some of the parts or not.
What do you guys think? Are you guys excited for this, or should we just put it back to original? Comment below. But this is gonna be insane build, and I'll show you guys later. I'm gonna go to his shop, and they're gonna do 3D sketching where we're gonna see the car, what it's gonna look after we're done with it.
Once we get it down to the chassis, we're gonna 3D scan it. We'll do all the sketches, the 3D data, and then we're gonna create the bodywork based off of that.
Yeah, so we're gonna take everything apart, fix the front end, then the vehicle's gonna leave to their shop. They're gonna do some work on it, and then for the final, they're gonna bring it back to us. So this way we could do the final paint and maybe a little bit adjustments, or you know, stuff like that. Well, hopefully you guys will take care of all that.
Oh, for sure. And we have to do this color.
Yeah,
this
red.
Is Mars
oh
Rosa.
yeah,
like,
this is
it's
a beautiful,
the best red I've ever seen.
And
like,
then,
we have to use this.
And then we'll take this car on the track as well, so you
we're
guys
gonna
will
be tracking
see
it. We'll be doing rallies with it.
Yeah, so
it'll be out and about.
A lot of things coming to this. Hopefully this, we're shooting for 4 to 6 months. Hopefully we could cross our fingers that finish everything.
As long as everything goes well.
Yeah,
we should be able to hit that target.
So
hopefully faster.
Yeah, hopefully faster. But yeah, everything's coming up. Both quarters, doors. So they're gonna take the car completely bone naked with no quarter panels, no panels, just the structural and the engine.
That's right.
So
yeah, we got a good base to start with. This is a 574.
Beautiful car. What they only made what?
Yeah, this is actually a Super Trofeo.
Yeah.
You know, we were on the market to find the best Gallardo we could, and well, we did. It's only 150 of them. This is, I believe, number 48. I'm not sure.
Wow. So.
But we need to come up with a cool name. You know.
Hey, if you guys know
Super
any
Trofeo, it needs to be Italian, something cool.
Comment below if you guys got any cool names for us that we could name this thing after. Hey guys, make sure you guys follow his Instagram. And what are you gonna do on your Instagram?
Yeah, our Instagram is Driven Concepts. It's actually DRVN Concepts. And what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be releasing some teaser sketches as it gets closer. We'll be posting videos of driving the chassis once it's like created, you know, we'll be taking it out to the track and ripping it before we really do the body work. We'll be 3D scanning. We're gonna post all the progress on the design side of things. LNC is going to help us out with some of the build, and we're going to get this thing done.
I'll put the Instagram name in the description below, and yeah, follow him, and you guys will see everything before it goes on YouTube.
This is our most exciting project right now, so we're going to be posting all kinds of stuff on it.
So stay tuned, fellas. Make sure you guys subscribe to see the final project and the whole process. and I'll try to record as much as I can. So it should be a fun project. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.